Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will teach you about the chown command in Linux or Unix based system. So if I see the main page of chown, as you can see it says change owner and group, change ownership of a file. So the change command is used to change the ownership of a file. So here I have file greetings.log, and currently I created this. So this is the user that created this and that have permissions to read and write and to this file, and the group also have permission, and the group they just have one user, which is Tauseed Zaman, and the group also has permission to read and write read and write to this file. So now let's change the owner of this file. So let's say from Tauseed Zaman to root. So for that all you need is just type chown and then root and then the file name, so greetings.txt. Now it says what do you mean? So the chown spelling is wrong, and permission formatted. So for that you need to be rooted. So you need to use sudo, and now if I hit ls tag la, as you can see the owner is changed from Tauseed Zaman to root. Now I can't change anything as user, but I can do because I'm in the group, so I can change something to this. Now let's change the group as well to root and remove Tauseed Zaman from the group. So for that you can do that using the previous command and then adding colon and then root as well. So now the root will be right here in, as the owner and in the group as well. So if I hit enter, now if I view that, as you can see the group has changed to Tauseed Zaman to root. Now the root has all permissions to this file and I don't have any permission as a user. So if I now I am a user, so now let's say I want to change something to this file. Let's say I can do it or not. So let's say I want to append something to this file. Let's say I want to append hello to this greetings.log file. As you can see, permission denied. So I can't do this now because I am out of the group and I don't have any permissions to do this. So that is chown command. Now to grant permission to again to this, we can use the chown command again. So now let's try the root user to add something to this file. Currently the greetings.log file has just failed out. Now let's use the sudo or your root user to add something to this file. So if I type hello again and add this to append this to the greetings.log file, what's happened? Let's use su and let's try that again. So if I type ls, here we have a file. Now if I type echo hello again and append this to the end of greetings, and we didn't. If I cared that, as you can see we added that. So previously I was not a root user. So if I type ls tag la here, and we have root user as the owner of this greetings.log file, and in the group there are also just one person root, and now we can't do anything with this file. So let's add permission again to this file. So for that you can do that using the chown command and the owner. So for that you need to be root, so you can't give yourself permission. Now I am logging as Tauseed Zaman, as you can see right here, root at Tauseed Zaman. So if I type let's open up in the terminal so that I will be logging as Tauseed Zaman. So if I go to desktop and test slash yt, and here is the file and these are the permission. And now let's say I want to write something to this file. So let's say hello from Tauseed Zaman, and I want to append this to the greetings.txt file. I can't do this because I don't have permission. So now let's give permission from the root side. So for that you need to log in as root. So sudo and sudo su, and now enter your password. If I can type my password, now we are logged in as user. So let's give permission to that user. So chown, and then the username, which is Tauseed Zaman, and then the file name. So the file is greetings.log, and if I hit enter, is nothing happen. If I type ls-la, as you can see, the Tauseed Zaman is added again as a owner of this greetings.log file. So if I go back to that terminal and ls-la, as you can see, it is added. So we added a user again to that file. So you can chown the user, you can grant information from the user, you can give the information for a specific file. Now the same thing goes for directories. So here I created a directory as Zaman user. As you can see, hello directory, and inside hello I created a file. So it is hello.log. So let's grant permission to hello and see that the user has access to the hello.log file or not. So if I change the owner of hello directory to from the Zaman to root and changes as well. So let's see what is going to happen. So I will log into let's say who am I, and I will log into the sudo user as SU. Now let's grant permission from the Zaman to all permissions to root. So chown and the root and the hello directory. So now if I ls that, as you can see, we got permission from the Zaman to root. Now let's see if this user can see what inside this hello directory. So if I open another terminal and go to that directory, Zaman test/yt, and here I have that directory, which is the ownership has changed from this user to root, and this user is not anyone in the group. So let's see if I can seed it to that. So if I type hello and I am in, and the hello.log file was created by user Tauseed Zaman, so it is still there. So now let's say you want to change for permission from you change permission for this directory. So let's say you want to change permission from all the directories that are inside directories and folder and all the stuff. So for that you can use the tag hr flag. So let's do that. Now this user here, this user has access to this file, so they can add and read all the stuff. So if I type hello, you can see hello there inside the hello.log file. So now let's do that. So I will go back to the root user, and here is the root has the ownership of the the hello directory. So let's change this. Clear. Now let's use chown, and I will use tag hr flag and then root and root. So in the directories, which is hello, and if I hit enter now, the root has permission as we saw before. So if I go back to the previous terminal and ls tag li here, now as you can see, the hello.log also have permission to the only the root user have permissions to this hello.log file. So if I try to read this, I guess I will be able to read, but I will not be able to write anything to this file. So if I try to write something to this, let's see what's going to happen. And as you can see, permission denied. So I am not in the root the group or not the ownership, so I can't do this. And the permission, this shows the permission of the current directory. So this dot or period points to the current directory, and the current directory ownership is with the root, and the group is also with the root because we change it there. So you can give access to file, change the ownership of file, directories, and directory hierarchy as well. So let's say you have some other directories inside another directory in this hello directory, and You can change all the stuffs by using the chown and tag h and or flag. And for more information regarding this, as I said before, you can check out the main page of chown command, and here they will you will see the tag rs for recursive, mean directly inside another directory, and so on and so forth. And uh, that example is right here, tag h or. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.